Hey guys, making a quick question video for the Tesla world. Got my 2012 Tesla Model S P85. The car is on. You can probably hear this noise. This is the subwoofer that we have. It is the aftermarket, not aftermarket, but upgraded subwoofer, and it's making this heartbeat noise. It's very loud. It does not go up when you turn the volume of the stereo off or on. Here's the subwoofer working. It does turn off when you unplug it. So how do I check if the subwoofer is bad or if it's a bad ground? The reading I was doing saying it's a bad ground. Can I check the ground with this connector to see if it's the ground, or do I have to rip the amp out underneath the driver's dash? I'm looking for some direction. I love this car and love the sound. All right, thank you.